Quality eyewear should be accessible and, more importantly, affordable to everyone. The ability to see shouldn't be held at a premium when it's such an integral part of our daily lives. In this video, we're going to discuss the best glasses for men from EyebuyDirect, a company that I've been utilizing for over 7 years. So let's get into it. Real men get it done. All right, so I was introduced to EyebuyDirect back in 2013, actually by my sister. So just to give you a little backstory, I've been wearing glasses my entire life since I was probably second grade. I'm in my 30s now. And you know, it's always a challenge to find some good frames that are affordable, even with insurance. You know, I would always end up still spending even $50 to up to $100 on a pair of glasses, even with insurance, because you know, you always want to maybe upgrade a little bit from what insurance offers. You want to get different protective coatings on it if you are at the computer screen a lot, different kind of lenses. So for my eyeglass wearers, you know, a lot can go into you purchasing a pair of glasses and can make that cost go up even if you have insurance. So the coolest thing that I learned about EyebuyDirect early on was one, very affordable. Glasses even back then started off at like $8, $10, and of course could go up depending on different upgrades that you wanted to have for your glasses. So that was cool just alone. And then another thing in terms of just their whole mission of providing affordable eye care was really true. And I think one thing that people don't think about is for folks who don't have insurance. And so EyebuyDirect, even from day one, they never made it a requirement to have to get verification for your prescription. And for those who wear glasses, you know, like you may go to your insurer and get your eyes checked every 1 year, every 2 years, and insurance may cover it. But think about those who can't afford to get those eyeglass appointments. They may have been able to get an eyeglass appointment a couple years ago and their prescription is the same, but they can't go back to go get the same actual eye doctor appointment, because those can be expensive if you don't have insurance. So EyebuyDirect, as long as you have your prescription, you could, even back then in 2013, upload what your prescription was and still be able to get glasses. So you have to think about how much access that potentially gave a lot of people who couldn't afford insurance, or maybe wanted to wait to use their insurance to get glasses and still had maybe a gap in there. I know I've been on all different kind of insurance plans. Some that allow you to get an eyeglass check every year, and some allow you to get one every 2 years. So if yours is expired in 1 year, that means you would have to pay out of pocket to actually get a prescription to even go get some glasses from another vendor. So I think EyebuyDirect, even from back then in 2013, was really innovative and really cool because I know this stat from day one, because I had purchased other glasses from other online vendors, but they would have to get verification from your doctor that your prescription was accurate. And even back then, a lot of those, you know, big box chains started to pop up with like you get 2 pairs of glasses for $100 and everything. So even while those were affordable, as I mentioned, EyebuyDirect, when I first started using them back in 2013, I could get glasses for $8, $10, and pay that for the entire pair of glasses. So again, the price market of them at that time just couldn't be beat, and they've done a good job of keeping that up all the way up until now, and now I'm actually an affiliate partner with them. So EyebuyDirect, just a little bit of a history and story about how I got into them and how they've been a game changer since. All right, so let's get into the frames a little bit, just to kind of let you know. I think the coolest thing about EyebuyDirect and just the frames in general is that it gives you an experience to try whatever you want. So when it comes to buying glasses, I'm from the approach of, if I like them, I may try them, I may buy them. I'm not going with trying to be all technical about the fit of my face, all that. I mean, granted, some of that comes into play, and Eyebuy has some good tools we'll go over to utilize that. But the awesome benefit about it is that, you know, you can take a chance on a $10 pair of glasses, a $20 pair of glasses. So you can really kind of mix up your collection and try different things that you probably wouldn't have ever thought to experiment with. So the coolest thing about the frames are being able to just take that chance and try different things. So as I mentioned, I connected with EyebuyDirect back in 2013. this is actually one of the pairs I still have. These were the Emmett at that time. I don't think they even sell these anymore. I'll have all my links in the description because they have a similar version of this that's an upgraded version called the Danny. But I paid $13 for this total. So again, I'm really speaking of the lenses, and sometimes the lens ends up being the total package, depending if you want an upgrade on your lens, on other stuff, you know, you can have all those upgrades. But for this one, was just the basic of the basics. I didn't want to spend too much money, so I got the basic lenses, and the total cost was about $13. So I've had these for over 7 years, so they can hold up pretty well. You know what I'm saying? To only pay $13 for some glasses, and I still utilize these in my collection. And the cool thing is, if you have a couple pair of glasses and you're changing out your rotation, you're not putting so much wear and tear on one particular pair. But obviously I've wore these a lot in the course of 7+ years. But these were, again, the Emmets at about $13. And I have another similar pair that I'll put on there that you could purchase of those. So those were about $13. Let's see, some of my new collection that I got that I've been wearing as of late that I love. These are the Ghost Rider frames. I love these, the Ghost Rider. These are $19 frames. And I'm gonna go show you them, of course. All my links will be in the description, but these are the Ghost Rider. And I wanted to do this video because a lot of people are always asking me when I do my other videos of beard care or even cleaning, like, where do you get your glasses from? What kind of glasses are those? So I was like, let me go ahead and do a video and show them. But these are my Ghost Riders, I love them. So quickly, the difference between these and these ones, these are the same glasses, but I actually upgraded. I bought these a pair to see how I would like them, upgraded to this pair, and I pay a little bit more money. These were like, I think, $30 altogether versus like $20, because I actually did upgrade the lens. One of the things I noticed that the basic cheap lens you get, sometimes it's a little hard to keep them clean because again, it's the cheapest glass that they put in there. But if you upgrade slightly a bit, you get a little better durable glass where it makes it a little bit easier to clean. So again, just in different colors, but I love the Ghost Rider. They come in a variety of colors and the lens starts at $19. All right, I believe these are my First. These are called First, and these frames are only $30. So again, just mixing it up, something different, a little color, a little pop of color, you know, summer, spring, even fall, you know, just to mix it up and do a little pop of color. I love these ones. Frames are $30. And I upgraded the lenses on these two, as I said, just to make them a little bit more clear, a little bit more scratch resistance, that little small upgrade, but still very, very affordable. And last but not least, probably one of my favorite pairs, this is called the Instance. And these are, I believe, $30 as well. And I upgraded them slightly with the glass and everything. But these are my white frames, my white specs that I love to rock. So as I said, very, very affordable, and it's really cool because it gives you the option to try some different things out that you may have normally never really wanted to try or pay for, just because obviously eyeglasses can be and get very expensive. So I have tons of other pairs that I've had throughout the year. I probably have like 10 to 12 pairs of glasses. Some of them are no longer produced by EyebuyDirect. As I say, I've been buying from them for a long time, but all these ones I mentioned are still there in the rotation. I'll have all the links in the description so that you can purchase them directly or use my affiliate link to get to the website, which just helps me get a little bonus for just promoting the brand. So please use my affiliate link or use the direct link to some of those glasses that you guys may like that I just showed you. Oh, one of the things I forgot to show you as well, in your packet when you get your glasses, you get a nice little cool case where you can protect a little dust case for your glasses to be able to put them in, obviously, so that you can keep them and travel with them. And then you also get a box, very environmental friendly. Of course, these are made from recyclable materials, which is cool. So you get a box where you could place them in, you know, if you need to travel with them. But this is how they're shipped to make sure they don't break and everything. And then they come into another little small package. But yeah, great packaging, very environmentally friendly. And as I said, just simple and easy and compact to make sure that your glasses are stored really well. All right, so I wanted to get a chance to go to the actual website, obviously, to show you some of the awesomeness of EyebuyDirect. And they always have tons of deals and sales, which is so cool too. So check it out, as I said, through my affiliate link. They right now are having buy one get one 50% off, 15% off free shipping on some of the offers. So it's really cool. So as you can see, you know, first as soon as you go, you get on the website, it pops up if you want eyeglasses or sunglasses, and it just gives you so many options. But I do want to pay attention to some of the things at the bottom of the screen, which I think are really cool. So it lets you know about, for example, things is like their 14-day fit and style guarantee, giving you options to find a local eye doctor if you need one, your fit and style quiz. And I think that is important if this is a very new to you and you never experienced it. It'll allow you to try to measure your glasses as best as you can. It'll actually even let you upload a picture and even view different glasses on your face if you do want to kind of give an idea of what will this look like if I were to buy and purchase these glasses. So all of those links and things at the very bottom I think are awesome and very helpful, because they kind of let you transition to what kind of glasses you may want and of how this whole process works. So definitely take advantage of that if you should need to. And then from there, it's pretty game on. You know, jump in, go right into the lens. I'm gonna search these ones that I showed you that I was looking at. I'll search my ghostwriters. So you click on the glasses that you want. As I said, it gives you the option to try them on. You can see how they're looking on other people. And then you go right forward with buying them. So as I said, these ones start off at $19. You select your lens. I just kept that one. You put all your eyeglass information in. If I was to log into my account, mine are all saved, so it ends up making it even easier. But I'll show you real quick. Let's see. We're gonna use it as a non-prescription just to show you. But this is where the upgrades come in. So clear lenses, as I said, standard lens, see how it's $17, and as you upgrade to a better lens, could be a little bit more expensive, all the way to $80. But I think the standard lens could be okay, but this is where I just upgraded mine to recently, just the slightly thinner lens. So I upgraded slightly, and that was pretty much it for mine. And then of course, like I said, they're always having discounts. So I got a discount on these that brought them down to just $30 period. And you add them to your cart. And then you actually start collecting points that you could eventually use. And as I said, it's just so cool. It's so dope because you can really try so many different things and play around with so many different things. So that's it. Answer the question of where I get my glasses from, where I get my specs from, so that hopefully you can utilize EyebuyDirect and find you some awesome and amazing frames that fit your budget. As I said, I really love EyebuyDirect. So dope, as I've been using them for over 7 years, even before I got into the whole YouTube affiliate partner game and all this stuff. But I think it's so cool that they've kept their prices affordable all these years, where everybody can utilize them. And again, that barrier of not having to worry about insurance necessarily if you already have your prescription is definitely a game changer, and has been a game changer, so that everyone has access to affordable and also sweet eyewear. So I think that's about it. Please check out all the descriptions in the link below that kind of connects you to everything. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to Real Men Getting Done. We're all about empowering men to take care of themselves and home, to make life easier. And I think that's it for now. So thank you for tuning in. Till next time, peace and blessings. Real men get it done.